साथ भी ये हुआ है कि डेट पे जाते जाते ही सारी कॉन्वर्जेशंस खत्म हो गई हैं बिकॉज यू सो हाइपर कनेक्टेड कि पूरा दिन या तो आप मीम शेयर कर रहे हो एक दूसरे के साथ में, या कोई भी अच्छी चीज़ या बुरी चीज़ हो जाती है, कुछ भी गॉसिप करना हो तो इंस्टेंटली you're either व्हाट्सएपिंग और इंस्टाग्रामिंग एंड यू जस्ट नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द अदर पर्सन. तो डेट पे जाते जाते ही अगर आपकी सारी कॉन्वर्जेशन ख़त्म हो जाती है तो वहाँ बैठे हुए हो डेट पे लुकिंग एट ईच अदर विद नो कॉन्वर्जेशंस एंड थिंकिंग टू योरसेल्फ हैव वी लॉस्ट द स्पार्क. I get it. Trust me, it's a real life problem. And to these real life problems, I have the best solution ever. We've got so many different kits for you. And let's line this up price wise. So I'm going to go from the highest price to the lowest price and give you 5 different cool experience options that you can do anywhere. You can be sitting at home, you can be sitting in a cafe, you can probably take these to your next vacation and just do something fun together. That's when your real memories are built, guys. That's when all those cool Instagram, Pinteresty looking, things come to life. I'm going to give you 5 super cool date night options that's going to blow your mind. Well, the best part is you can do most of it in under 20 to 30 minutes. So आप लोग ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा, ज़्यादा कोई आर्टिस्टिक चीज़ करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं. I'm just going to give you like super fun options starting from the highest price to the lowest price and going to tell you everything there is to know about the kit. Now let's start with my option number 1. Numero uno, this is a beautiful perfume making kit. This is priced at a 4,999. Also, I think it's on a discount right now on the website, so maybe go check it out right now. But yeah, with this one kit, this beautiful, sexy, elegant looking kit, you can make 2 amazing perfumes at home. Yeah, you heard me right. You can actually custom make your own perfumes with this kit. Let me just open this kit and show you what exactly comes in it. So you get this amazing manual. Now in this manual, you get to understand everything that you need to understand to become a perfume and craft your perfumes. You also have a very detailed video right here. So as soon as you open it, all you have to do is go to the first page, scan this QR code, and there's a video that tells you exactly what you need to do, how you need to do. But trust me, the process is extremely simple. What really matters is the fun you guys are going to have while you are crafting your own perfumes. Oh, by the way, to make it even more fun, why don't you try and guess what the other person might like, and instead of making your own perfume, you craft something for them that kind of reflects their personality or what they mean to you. This is what you get in the kit. In this pretty looking kit, you get 2 perfume bottles, so you can make a his and her. And you can also name them. You kind of like put these stickers in here, so you can actually name the perfumes, call it something sexy. So you get about 8-9 of these different kind of fragrances. So start with actually smelling each one, understanding what they feel like. Is this you? Is this not you? Maybe mix them up. Mix like 2 or 3 in these containers that are given. You again get 2 of these and see what really feels like you or your partner. And then kind of just go ahead, add your perfume base to it, mix it up, and your perfume is ready. This is my number 1 recommendation on the list if you are a couple who's wanting to try something cool, maybe not something arty because both of you are not into art at all and maybe are scared of art. So this is something that anybody can do. It's like extremely beginner friendly, and you can carry this around as well. Like let's say you're celebrating an anniversary, you're going to some hotel somewhere, maybe for a staycation. Take this along, do it there, do it anywhere you want. But yeah, have a lot of fun. Number 2 on my list is this amazing Jesmonite coaster kit. This is at a 2,199. Now with this one kit, you can actually make 4 coasters. We have 1 coaster mold in this, so you might need to buy like a couple of more molds, which again, super easy to buy. I'm gonna drop in the link in the description. All you have to do is click on that link and you have like different kinds of silicone molds available right on our website for you to buy. So just get an extra mold and you guys can do this together, or you can take turns as well, like whatever you'd like to do. But the coolest part about this kit is that once you've poured your Jesmonite mix into the mold, it literally takes 20 minutes and that is all. It sets in 20 minutes. So anything that you're doing is not taking like a million years to dry. 20 minutes and your product is ready. You guys can actually see what happens and what kind of a design the other person's made. Again, this is a very arty kit, but you can literally have never picked up a paintbrush in your life and can still do this. Trust me, there people have literally come back to us and been like, I never knew this guy could be so good at art, or I never knew this girl could make like such an amazing poster. So yeah, get stunned by what you and your partners can totally make with this kit. Now all you have to do with this is you get like this Jessamine powder, you mix that with the liquid, the color liquid that you get, mix it well, pour it into your silicone mold and let it set. That's all. Also, like every other Kitsters kit, you get this QR code in your kit. You just have to scan it, and there's a whole detailed video that tells you what kind of designs you can make, how you can make this, the whole process. Trust me, super simple. And so many people have done it and gotten back to us with such amazing feedback. So yeah, highly recommended for your date night. Number 3 on our list is 1999 DIY cotton candy kit. This is one of the cutest kits ever. Because this is just pure joy, pure fun. This is at a 1999, and guess what? You get a whole machine in this. So you can make unlimited cotton candies at home. You get 3 flavors in it as well. So you have the amazing bubble gum, that's the pinky cutie one. You have like a blueberry flavor, which is blue in color. And you have a butterscotch, which is yellow in color. So you get all these beautiful colors as well, and you can just experiment, make as many cotton candies as you want. And in case you guys have like, you know, the flavors in it are over, you want more sugars, you can always head to Kitsters.in and you can get more of these, as many as you want. I'm gonna just drop in that link down there in the description for you to kind of like go in and also check those out. But yeah, this is definitely a super fun one, especially if both of you guys have like a sweet tooth. This just amps up things and lets you do this any day that you want. So this is a highly recommended kit from me. Also, it's extremely easy. Like if you're not somebody who's, you know, arty, or if you don't want to try like too many new things, but you still want to do something fun that is nostalgic, that is that you can keep doing on a regular basis, I highly recommend this one. Oh, by the way, this one kit also doubles up as a very fun group activity kit. So imagine you're hosting like a house party at home. This is one way to make it extremely fun. So your friends can come over and try this too. You have fam coming over, you have little kids coming over, you have your parents coming over, parents-in-law coming over. Everyone, trust me, is gonna have so much fun. So I feel like this is one of those, you know, investment kits where you get this and this becomes like just a cool party trick that you bring out for any and every type of party. And trust me, kids, adults, teenagers, everybody loves this so much. Number 4 on my list is our sushi kit. It's for 1299 and literally is a wholesome meal for 2 people. So if you are a couple who loves eating, and especially sushi, you have to get this kit. The best part is you get everything in the kit, like every other Kitsters kit, along with the video that tells you exactly what to do. Also, it might sound really complicated, but trust me, this is very simple to make. Okay, coming from me who doesn't even know how to like make chai. I've never cooked in my life, and I can make sushi. So I guarantee you, you can do it too. You don't have to be a chef. You don't have to be somebody who's ever cooked in their life to be able to do this. It's that simple. So get this kit and get together an amazing meal together. Or you can even like, you know, prep a whole meal and then get the other partner in, do like a cute little surprise at a date night and get conversations rolling, folks. So definitely recommend this one. The last one on my list at 349 is one of the cutest kits ever. It's a pebble painting kit. You get 2 pebbles in it. You get all the paint and messy mat and anything and everything you need to make the cutest pebble paintings at home. If you guys are someone who just love or enjoy a little bit of art, a little bit of cuteness in your life, this is definitely a kit that I recommend to you. this is one of those to-go kits, you know, that you can just pick up and go to like a cafe, or let's say to the beach, or take this with you for your staycation, or just anywhere, honestly. You can just sit down, take this out of the box and start doing it right then and there. You don't need even like one more thing to do this, so makes it extremely to-go friendly. Also, you get like 12 different kind of paints in it. So unlike acrylic paints or any of these other heavy duty oil paints, you don't really need like water or any other solvent. All you gotta do is dip your paintbrush into the paint and get started. That's all. But you can trust me, you can make such cute paintings with it. It's just, I think it's one of my favorites because it might feel so simple and like, but when you just sit down, there is some pleasure that comes out of just sitting down and painting on a pebble. So I usually put these pebbles in like in like a pot, so that my plants have a little buddy to go along with it. But you can also use these as paperweights. You can make something for the other person, gift it to them while you're on this cute little art date, so that they can take it with them to the office, use them as paperweights, and be reminded of you every time they see it. So definitely recommend this one as well. Also, obviously, this is the last one on my list today, but we at Kitsters have one thing, and that is a million options. 100, but a million options for you to explore. So go to kitsters.in right now if you think you want more options to select from. We have so many of them. In fact, choose it with your partner, or maybe use it as a surprise. Guys, this is a trick for you. So every time she tells you, I don't want you to give me flowers because I am telling you to give me flowers, this is your opportunity. Go to kitsters.in right now, get that kit, and plan your art date. I mean, we got you, trust me, we have everything in the kit. So all you gotta do is go to kitsters.in and order yourself one, right? It's that easy. Or girls, if you're looking for cool ways to bond with your partner, do something cool other than Netflix and chill, here is your way to do it. So, see you in the next one.